Have you ever felt like you were just scratching the surface of what you were truly capable of? Like there's a wellspring of untapped potential within you just waiting to be unlocked? Well, prepare to dive deep into the realms of consciousness and discover the transformative power of your own mind. Hello, book lovers, and welcome back to Ace Book Talk. Today, we are venturing into the thought-provoking world of Thomas Troward, a philosopher and mental science pioneer whose ideas laid the groundwork for many modern self-help and New Thought concepts. Troward, born in 1845, spent much of his life as a divisional judge in British India. It was during this time that he dedicated himself to studying religion, philosophy, and science, seeking a unifying principle that could explain the nature of reality and the human experience. Retiring in 1896, he devoted the remainder of his life to writing and lecturing on mental science. Now, let's delve into Troward's The Dore Lectures. This book isn't a single narrative, but rather a compilation of lectures delivered by Troward. Think of it as a series of insightful discussions on various aspects of mental science, each building upon the previous one to reveal a comprehensive understanding of how our minds shape our reality. One of the core principles Troward explores is the concept that thought precedes form. He argues that the universe is fundamentally mental in nature, and that our thoughts are the creative force that molds our individual experiences. In essence, what we persistently think about, we bring about. This isn't just wishful thinking. Troward delves into the underlying mechanics of this process, explaining how our thoughts interact with the universal mind, a vast reservoir of creative intelligence. Troward emphasizes the importance of understanding the law of attraction, which, put simply, states that like attracts like. However, he goes beyond the superficial understanding of this law often presented today. He explains that the law of attraction operates on a much deeper level, attracting not just material possessions, but also experiences, relationships, and circumstances that resonate with our dominant thoughts and beliefs. Therefore, to consciously create a fulfilling life, we must consciously cultivate positive, empowering thoughts. Furthermore, Troward delves into the nature of the subconscious mind, describing it as a fertile ground where our thoughts take root and grow. The subconscious mind doesn't reason or judge. It simply accepts and executes the instructions it receives from the conscious mind. This means that negative or limiting beliefs, ingrained in the subconscious, can sabotage our efforts to create positive change. Therefore, it's crucial to consciously reprogram the subconscious mind with empowering affirmations and visualizations. He also sheds light on the concept of spiritual substance. This isn't a physical substance in the traditional sense, but rather a formless, intelligent energy that permeates all of existence. Troward explains that this spiritual substance is the raw material from which all things are created, and that we can tap into this substance through our thoughts and intentions to manifest our desires. By consciously aligning our thoughts with the creative power of the universe, we can unlock our potential and bring our dreams into reality. The Dore Lectures also explores the power of imagination. Troward argues that imagination isn't just idle fantasy. It's a powerful tool for creating our future. By vividly imagining our desired outcomes, we impress them upon the subconscious mind, which then works tirelessly to bring them into manifestation. He encourages us to cultivate a clear mental picture of our ideal life and to hold on to that vision with unwavering faith. Troward's teachings offer practical guidance for applying these principles in our daily lives. He encourages us to cultivate a mindset of gratitude, to focus on the positive aspects of our lives, and to release any negative emotions or limiting beliefs that are holding us back. He also emphasizes the importance of self-reflection and introspection, urging us to become aware of our thought patterns and to consciously choose thoughts that align with our goals. So, what are the key takeaways from the Dore lectures? Firstly, understand that your thoughts are powerful creative forces. Become mindful of your thought patterns and consciously choose thoughts that align with your desires. Secondly, cultivate a positive and grateful mindset. Focus on the good in your life and release any negativity. Thirdly, utilize the power of imagination. Visualize your desired outcomes and hold onto that vision with unwavering faith. Finally, remember that you are connected to a vast, intelligent universe that is always ready to support your growth and evolution. Ultimately, Troward teaches us that we are not simply passive recipients of life, we are active creators. By understanding the principles of mental science and consciously applying them in our lives, we can unlock our full potential and create a life of joy, abundance, and fulfillment. This book is a call to action, an invitation to step into our power and become the architects of our own destiny. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Thomas Troward's The Dore Lectures. If you found this discussion insightful, be sure to subscribe for more book recommendations and discussions on the power of the human mind. Until next time, keep thinking big and creating your best life.